Alright, what's up guys? How are we doing today? In this tutorial I just want to go into a little bit more depth on the console within your browsers. Console is basically where the browser is able to interact with the JavaScript. So as you see here, I'm in Google Chrome, which has its own console. You can also go here, Firefox. I'm in also console. But let me show you, basically just go to any web page. So this is google.com. Right click, go to inspect. And what it's going to do is pull up these dev tools, and you'll be brought directly to Elements, which is your HTML and CSS. But if you click on the second one here, you'll go to console, where you can interact with your JavaScript browser. Now, I just want to show you a few things that console is able to do, because it's one of the ways, such as like document write or alert, that we're able to bring some of our JavaScript out to the user of the computer. So basically, we'll just quickly go var num1, and we're going to equal it to 3. And this undefined after we drop is just basically the console saying that there's nothing to return here, so it's fine. It did take the variable number1 and assign it to 3, but it's just basically letting us know that there's nothing to populate there. So then we'll go var num2, and we're going to equal this to 5, and we'll close that, and we get another undefined. And that's basically, once again, just the browser telling us that there was nothing to populate. But here we will bring out, so we'll go console.log, and this is really what you should take away from this, is how to use the console log feature here. We'll just go num1 plus num2, and it has given us 8. And basically this is how we can use the console to produce different JavaScript functions and programs and such. So just var Steve is equal to, and we'll assign it to a string, Steve web developer, and we'll close that, and then we can go console.log, put it in our parentheses, our variable Steve, and we will get a web developer. So guys, that's basically how the console log is going to work. There's a few other features, just real quick. We're able to go like document.url within the console log, and what it's going to do is show us what URL we are at. So basically here we have google.com. You can also go document.title, which will bring us to the title of our page. In this case it's Google, which you can see up here, it's Google. So that's pretty much the console log. You'll also find one here, it's Firefox. They have one as well. You can see I brought it up here. Most modern browsers do, but it's a really powerful way to kind of display our JavaScript. And I just wanted to go over a quick tutorial on the console log itself, because we will be using this going forward. So stay tuned guys. Next we're going to go over the document write real quick, and then we'll go over the alert. These are all ways to kind of show our JavaScript to the users on the computer. Again, give a like, give a subscribe, give a share. It's all appreciated. Stay tuned.